What creatures were not allowed on Noah's Ark, and why were they left behind? This intriguing question invites us to explore the fascinating details of the ancient story. The tale of Noah's Ark is rich with diverse life forms, but certain creatures, from aquatic animals to mythical beasts, had no place in this floating refuge. As we unravel the mysteries surrounding microscopic life, dinosaurs and extinct species, we'll uncover the reasons behind their absence. The Ark's narrative is more than a story of survival. It's a window into the complexities of life and the natural world. Now let's explore these captivating aspects and discover which creatures were truly left behind during this epic flood. The absence of aquatic creatures. Aquatic creatures such as fish, dolphins, and whales would not have needed to board the Ark. They could survive in their natural habitat, even during the flood. This unique aspect of the story highlights how different ecosystems were affected by the flood. As the rains fell and waters rose, the vast expanses of the oceans, rivers, and lakes became a natural refuge for these creatures. Their ability to thrive in water made the Ark unnecessary for their survival. Imagine the tumultuous waters teeming with life, where dolphins leaped, fish swam, and whales glided effortlessly through the waves. The natural resilience of these marine animals meant that they were perfectly adapted to survive the deluge. Their presence in the vast underwater world continued uninterrupted, while Noah and his family cared for the terrestrial animals on the Ark. This distinction also underscores the diversity of life and how various species adapted to their environments. The floodwaters, though destructive on land, became a thriving habitat for aquatic life, showing nature's remarkable ability to endure and persist through catastrophic events. The exclusion of microscopic life. Microscopic life forms, such as bacteria, viruses, and fungi, were not explicitly mentioned in the biblical account. These organisms exist in vast quantities in the environment and within the bodies of other creatures, so they would have been present in that sense. Their presence and survival during the flood are fascinating because they play crucial roles in the ecosystem, from decomposing organic matter to supporting life through various symbiotic relationships. While Noah's Ark carried pairs of animals to preserve life, the unseen world of microbes continued its work unnoticed. These tiny yet vital organisms thrived within the bodies of the Ark's inhabitants and in the natural world around them. They helped maintain health, break down waste, and even contribute to the food supply by aiding in digestion. The flood, while catastrophic for many, provided a unique environment where microscopic life could continue its essential functions. This silent but powerful aspect of life ensured that when the floodwaters receded, the world could regenerate and thrive once more. The intricate balance of life, from the largest animals to the tiniest microbes, demonstrates the incredible complexity and resilience of the natural world, even in the face of overwhelming disaster. The mythical creatures conundrum. Mythical creatures, such as unicorns, griffins, or dragons, are often depicted in ancient literature and art. However, as these creatures do not exist in reality, they would not have been present on the Ark. These legendary beings, born from human imagination and storytelling, have captured the human spirit with their majestic and often awe-inspiring forms. They symbolize our desire to explore the unknown and believe in the extraordinary. Despite their absence from the physical world, their stories continue to inspire and captivate. The Ark, tasked with preserving real-life species, had no place for these fantastical animals. The flood narrative, grounded in the realities of ancient times, focuses on the survival of earthly creatures. Yet, the allure of mythical creatures remains strong, their tales passed down through generations, coloring our understanding of history and culture. While Noah tended to lions, elephants, and doves, the unicorns and dragons lived on in the dreams and stories of people. This distinction between reality and myth reminds us of the power of storytelling and its role in shaping our beliefs and imaginations, adding a rich layer to the human experience that complements the tangible world of the Ark. The dilemma of dinosaurs. The presence of dinosaurs on Noah's Ark is a topic of much debate. Some argue that they were not included, while others suggest that they were on the ark but went extinct later. The Bible does not mention dinosaurs, leaving this a topic of speculation. This absence fuels curiosity and wonder about how these magnificent creatures fit into the story. If dinosaurs existed alongside humans, their size and needs would have posed significant challenges for Noah. The logistics of accommodating such enormous beings would have been daunting. On the other hand, some theories propose that smaller or younger dinosaurs might have been taken aboard, only to face extinction in the post-flood world due to changing climates and habitats. The mystery of their fate intertwines with our fascination with these ancient giants, whose fossils tell a story of a long-lost era. This speculation about their absence or presence on the ark adds an intriguing layer to the biblical narrative, bridging the gap between faith and science. While the ark preserved many species, the question of dinosaurs invites us to explore the unknown, sparking discussions and debates that continue to this day. Their story, though not explicitly written, remains a testament to the enduring allure of the prehistoric world. The mystery of extinct species. Many species have gone extinct since the time the story of Noah's Ark was written. It's unclear whether these species were not on the ark or if they became extinct later. This mystery adds a layer of intrigue to the ancient narrative, prompting questions about the diversity of life that existed back then. Some species, like the dodo and the woolly mammoth, disappeared long after the flood, suggesting that changes in climate, habitat loss, and human activities played significant roles in their extinction. The Ark's mission to preserve life might not have accounted for every living being, leading to speculation about what creatures roamed the earth that we no longer see today. Fossils and historical records give us glimpses of these lost species, painting a picture of a world teeming with life, much of which has faded into history. This ongoing mystery highlights the fragility and ever-changing nature of our planet's biodiversity. The story of Noah's Ark, while a tale of survival, also reminds us of the delicate balance of life and the impact of environmental changes. It invites us to reflect on the countless species that have come and gone, and the importance of preserving the diversity that still exists. The case of insects. The Bible does not explicitly mention if insects were on the ark. Given their small size and vast numbers, it's possible that they survived outside the ark or were present in the food and bedding. Insects play a crucial role in ecosystems, acting as pollinators, decomposers, and a food source for many animals. Their ability to reproduce rapidly and adapt to various environments might have enabled them to endure the floodwaters. Imagine the ark filled with pairs of large animals, while countless insects, hidden in crevices and within stored supplies, continued their vital work unnoticed. The resilience of insects, such as ants, beetles, and bees, underscores their importance in maintaining ecological balance. These tiny creatures could have hitched rides on plants, animals, or even within the ark's wooden structure itself. Their survival would have been critical for the post-flood world, ensuring the continuity of many biological processes necessary for life to thrive. The story of Noah's Ark, though silent on insects, suggests their enduring presence and the interconnectedness of all living things. Their quiet but essential roles remind us of the hidden complexities of nature, highlighting the remarkable adaptability and persistence of life in even the most challenging circumstances. The question of birds. While many birds could have survived outside the ark, the Bible mentions that Noah took 7 pairs of every kind of clean bird onto the ark. It's unclear what happened to the unclean birds, leading to speculation that some may not have been included. Birds, with their ability to fly, might have found refuge on floating debris or perched on the ark itself. The distinction between clean and unclean birds highlights ancient dietary laws, but it also leaves room for curiosity about the fate of those not specifically mentioned. These unclean birds, essential in many ecosystems as scavengers and pest controllers, might have faced different survival challenges. The presence of clean birds on the ark ensured the continuity of species necessary for sacrificial rituals and dietary needs, underscoring their importance in human culture and survival. This gap in the narrative invites us to imagine the diverse avian life that soared through the skies, resilient and enduring during one of history's most cataclysmic events. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating details of Noah's Ark and the creatures left behind. If you enjoyed uncovering these mysteries, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Glorious Gospels for more insightful explorations of biblical stories. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep seeking and discovering the wonders of our ancient past.